Day 2 started out with a very early but beautiful drive through part of Nova Scotia on our way to the North Sydney Terminal ferry. We got on the road super early, so we didn't have time to stop for coffee, so we used our cute little espresso machine to make some on the drive. The first stop of the day is to see the world's largest fiddle.
Listen closely, and you'll probably hear that island fiddling has been greatly influenced by the skirl of the bagpipes, with the violinist often imitating the drone, the so-called cuttings, and other...
We were instructed to arrive 2 hours early for this ferry ride. That gives you enough time to check out the local area, maybe grab a local coffee. If you're traveling with pets, time to take them for a walk, and then just to get ready to board the ferry. We are now in North Sydney. We're fixing to take the ferry to Newfoundland. Whoa, we all cheers, cheers. Ready, 1, 2, 3, cheers.
Cheers.
Having some Tim Hortons before we get on the ferry. So this boat we're on has a helicopter landing pad. They could have put us a pool right there. Then this Greyhound bus on the water would have a deluxe pool with a tiki bar right up there. So we have made it to the ferry. Actually, we've made it to the ferry. We ate some lunch and we took a nap. And now we're trying to wake up and watch for whales out here on this beautiful ocean. Whales, sea life, whatever we can find out here. We are here in the month of August. What are we, like the third week into August?
It's August 18th.
August 18th. It is 4 o'clock here on a Sunday. We're still on this Greyhound bus on the water. Luckily, this Greyhound bus had a bar. So I got a iceberg beer.
1976.
I can taste the fresh iceberg in this. So after 9 hours of driving, 1 campsite, 2 more hours of driving, and an 8-hour ferry, we have made it to Newfoundland!
Yay!
are finally in Newfoundland. It's our first night in Newfoundland, and we found this great boondocking spot.
Wild camping. Is
Wild.
What they call it on iOverlander.
We got our tent. We have a beautiful sunset, but we're exhausted from the last 2 days of travel.
We are at St. David's, or close to Jeffrey's, and we really did not expect to have self-service when we got outside the city, but to our surprise, we have self-service here.
I think I have like 2 bars. So it's LTE. I don't know if I can call anybody, but I have something. Our ferry ride today was kind of long. Good food.
7 hours. The food was okay. It was
We had
light bar food.
We had nice lounge seats to sit in.
Took a little nap.
We took a nap.
Didn't see any wildlife today.
Didn't see it.
Oh, you
Oh,
saw
I
a
saw
dolphin?
dolphins.
Just for a second.
I saw dolphins out of the window just for a second. Of course, no pictures. So we are fixing to hit the sack, and tomorrow, St. John, here we come. We're going to get screeched in like real Newfoundlanders tomorrow. So, gotta get in the bed. Night.